Okay, so for 5b, same work as 5a. You can kind of see that right beside as reference. Okay, we're going to do pretty much the same thing. It's just with the 45-degree triangle this time. So the proportional reasoning portion or the cross multiplication and solving might just be a little uglier with this question because we're going to have the root 2 in there from the 45-degree triangle. So that's really the only difference. I'm still going to call this opposite. If this is my angle of reference, that's going to be opposite, hypotenuse. And so I'm going to need to find the height, h, and b for base, just like the last question. So we'll start with h. Okay, so we're going to go the sine of 45 has to be equal to h over 5 with respect to the triangle. The 45-degree triangle is drawn like this. We're going to have the 45. It's 1 root 2. And so the sine of 45 has to be equal to the 1 over root 2. And so what I'm going to do is just use this to solve for h. H is going to equal root 2h, sorry. If I cross multiply, it has to equal to 5. Then I'm going to divide both sides by root 2. And I'm going to get h is equal to 5 over root 2. I'm going to rationalize the denominator. And h is going to equal 5 root 2 by 2. Okay, so that's h. I'm going to do the same work for b, except this time I'm going to use cosine. So cosine of 45 has to equal, cosine of 45 is going to be b over 5, which has to equal in relation, it's the same, 1 over root 2. So cos of 45, actually I don't need that now, do I? That's not what we're doing. I'm solving for b. So I get root 2 times b has to equal 5. So b has to equal 5 by root 2. It's the same work. So b is going to equal 5 root 2 by 2 when I go to rationalize. So I basically have the same thing twice here, and then we're going to see what that does to our answer. So area of this triangle is going to be 1/2 the base times the height. So I get 1/2 times 5 root 2 over 2 multiplied by 5 root 2 by 2. And so I'm going to get 25 times 2, right? So 1/2. In the numerator, I'm going to get 25. I'll take a couple steps here just so everybody's clear. Times the square root of 4 divided by 4. Okay, which is going to be the 1/2 of 25 times 2 divided by 4, which is going to be 1/2 of 50 by 4, which is going to be 1/2, sorry, it'd be 50 by 8, okay, which is going to reduce to 25 by 4, and I don't think that reduces any more units squared. Now, as long as I haven't made any mistakes in there, which I don't think I have, let's go check the answer. 25 by 4 units squared, that's 5b, 25 by 4. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, so that's your answer. Good.